అందరూ నాకంటే పెద్దవాళ్ళు అనుకుంటాను అందరూ. సో నా పేరు మహేష్ అండి, సోషల్ రిపోర్ట్ బెంగళూరు నుంచి వచ్చాను. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I'll speak in English as well as Telugu and Kannada. So it's better for everyone. So today Ishmael sir given topic is utilizing the technology for the non-profit organization. So I will touch upon that. So how many people know about ChatGPT? Anyone heard about that? Yeah, I think a few people. So recently everyone is talking about because of ChatGPT we lost the jobs like that. So ChatGPT, because of ChatGPT we don't lost the job. If you can use the ChatGPT, that is new technology, we can sustain more actually. దానివల్ల ఎక్కువ మంది బెనిఫిట్ పొందుతారు. వీ కెన్ సింప్లిఫై అవర్ వర్క్ అండి. సో మనకు లేటెస్ట్గా వచ్చే టెక్నాలజీని మనం యూజ్ చేసుకొని సో వీ కెన్ గెట్ మోర్ రిజల్ట్ అనమాట. సింప్లిఫై అవర్ వర్క్. సో టెక్నాలజీ మీన్స్ ఇస్ సేమ్. సో మన యొక్క ఏదైతే వర్క్ చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని మనం సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోవడానికి టెక్నాలజీ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. సో నేను ChatGPT మీద మీకు సెషన్ ఇస్తాను. సో నేను ఈశ్వర్య గారితో మాట్లాడతాను బికాస్ టైం లేదు దాని గురించి. విల్ హ్యావ్ ఏ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 45 minutes సెషన్ హౌ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ChatGPT ఫర్ ది NGOs. సో అట్లానే సోషల్ మీడియా. సో ఇప్పుడు ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ సోషల్ మీడియాలో యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటాము. NGOs నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ 5 years నుంచి NGOsతో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నానండి. ఐ సా సో మెనీ NGOs. They are not at all active in the social media and the digital presence only. So our Socially Good works on that. So Socially Good is a digital technology company only. We are based out of Bangalore. We created a first digital marketplace for the social sector. So social sector digital marketplace అంటే మీకు ఒక సింపుల్ గా అండర్స్టాండింగ్ కోసం చెప్తాను. మీరు అమెజాన్, ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ మన ఇంట్లోనే కూర్చొని మనం ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఆర్డర్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో మనకి ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ కావాలో మనం ఇంట్లోనే కూర్చొని యాజ్ ఎ బయ్యర్గా మనం ఆర్డర్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఏదో సెల్లర్గా వాళ్ళు ఆన్లైన్లో పెడుతున్నారు. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ ఉంటారో మనకు తెలియదు, కానీ వాళ్ళు చేసే ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మనం ఇంటి దగ్గర నుంచి కొనుక్కుంటున్నాం. సో అదే కాన్సెప్ట్ని మేము సోషల్ సెక్టార్లో అప్లై చేసామండి. వీఆర్ బ్రింగింగ్ ఆల్ స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్ ఇన్ ది సోషల్ సెక్టార్ అండి. సో సోషల్ సెక్టార్ అంటే మనం మెయిన్గా మనం అనుకునే వాళ్ళంటే NGOs. సో NGOsని అట్లానే ఇండివిజువల్స్ అంటే నేను డోనర్ కావచ్చు, వాలంటీర్ కావచ్చు, మెంబర్ కావచ్చు, బెనిఫిషరీ కావచ్చు, sometimes participant. We are participants now. So this is an event. So we are participants. We are bringing together only. CSR also we are adding into our platform. In the future, we are adding government funding also in the future. Take some time only. We are currently just recently we added CSR army to our Socially Good platform. So the Socially Good గురించి అండి. సో అంటే టెక్నాలజీ పార్ట్ వీ హెల్ప్ యూ విత్ ఎనీ టెక్నాలజీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అండి. వెబ్సైట్ కానీ, సోషల్ మీడియా ప్రమోషన్ కానీ, డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ కానీ, ఎనీ కస్టమైజ్డ్ యాప్స్, సంథింగ్ లైక్ యూ వాంట్ ఆన్లైన్ స్టోర్, యూ వాంట్ టు సెల్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఇన్ ది ఆన్లైన్. So we will help you to create an online store. You are working in the education sector, we will help you on the LMS. So like this, any technology requirement for the non-profit, digital technology we provide through Socially Good. So yeah. So and this is very one point I touch upon. This is a no-code platform only. So everyone think that software means we need to write a code. So here, whatever we are developing, no need to write any software language, anything. Non-technical person can do simple things only. So how you are uploading the photo into the Facebook or Twitter, same way you can create a campaign only. That campaign we call it social campaign. We came into that. So social campaign, it may be a donation campaign, voluntary campaign, membership campaign, or events, or any campaign, beneficiary campaign. So this small thing is social campaign only. You can create a campaign and you can reach out to the stakeholders globally. So this is our social media. So this is our traction only. Currently we are serving almost 200 plus non-profits not only in India, we are serving the non-profits from the US, UK, and Australia, and few other countries also. And through our social media platform, we have enabled 250 crores donations and individual donations. 250 crores, and not only through platform, multi-digital channel. I will explain about that. And so yesterday's, I think Dhwani Foundation, they spoke about employee volunteering. It is very famous in the US. So we are enabling that feature into our platform only. Through our platform, 230K volunteers, means 230,000 volunteers has been registered in our platform. And currently we have 4 lakhs individuals are there in our social media platform. It's counting, so we are working on that part. And we have 1500 plus non-profit organizations are there in our platform. And we have a database of 76,000 NGOs. So if you ask NGO from Surat, I can give you the list of 4 or 5. So I have that much of database in our team. This is latest figure and we are counting. So we added it. So what we provide mainly, and this is the concept only. So previously our thing is face to face. Normally whatever we do, face to face we are doing. Then some of the communication we are starting to email and SMS. Recently website came into picture. Now social media came into picture. So new one latest concept is the marketplace. So marketplace, everything will available. So you want to raise the funds, you want to reach out to the volunteers, you want to reach out to the corporate companies, you want to reach out to the beneficiaries. So marketplace is the new concept which is trending now. I think this is the what see you are doing great work in the ground level. No one can replace on that. So what we are socially good is adding is we are adding engagement in the online. Whatever the technology which you want, socially good will provide to you. So we are working on that. So in the future you will get more donations, more funds, and more volunteers, and whatever you want. So in the future you will get it. So and we are also working on the backups like MIS and all. It takes some time. So because of this, you will get more volunteers. Your donations will be increased. Of course, we are working on this CSR part, and you will have a global reach and visibility. So one thing I want to tell you is our platform will scale up to the entire world. So someone is from New Zealand or Australia, they can see your activity, they can do whatever they want. So we are building the platform like a global. It's not like local, something like Tirupati or state Andhra Pradesh or India. So our platform is a global platform. We are building the platform in that way. So this is our important thing. What NGOs can get it is deep monitoring. So we call it as a digital presence. Digital presence, it may be your website, social media channels, or socially good platform, or any other platforms which you want to present. Something like when you search something, so NGOs working on the education in Tirupati. So your organization has to be visible. So for that, what are the things as a technology which is required, we will provide you that. Second thing is digital outreach. You have the very good, you are doing great work in the ground, but how people will come to know about that, because technology is changing. So the people has to identify, people has to మీ యొక్క యాక్టివిటీస్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి, తెలియాలి మీరు చేస్తున్నటువంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ని. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీచ్ అవుట్ ద పీపుల్ వేర్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్. ఇట్ మే బి డోనర్స్, వాలంటీర్స్, members. So we will help you on the outreach program. Third one is the engagement part. Engagement is the key actually. So once you are reaching, you are sharing the information, bulk emails or WhatsApp or social media, but if the content is not good, content is not attractive, so people will not see your content. So we will work on that content part. So content writing, social media posts, campaign designing. So we will assist you on that engagement part. So why we are doing these all things is ultimately we need some benefit for the NGO because we have to work in the ground level. So that is, we call it as a transaction. Transaction, it may be, if it is a donation campaign, you will get donations. If it is a voluntary campaign, you will get volunteers. If it is a membership, you will get members. If it is an event, people can participate in the events, even in the beneficiaries also. So this is, mainly we work on these 4 important things, and you can see those things. So this is the thing, and currently what are the technology we are seeing, these are all point solutions. The crowdfunding, we can go to Millab, voluntary management, some voluntary management, Chejuba, or CSR management, Goodera, something like that. But our socially good platform provides all these features into in one place. This is a one-stop solution for all the digital technology needs. So, yeah. This is socially good, and I will just glance at our website. So we can connect one-to-one. Anyone want to our technology, our requirements, our futures, we can connect one-to-one. Mainly 2 things, and I will give the session for the how we can use the technology, how we can actively in the socially good, social media. So I will talk to Ishwara sir, and I will give whatever I know. And second thing is, if anything is required in terms of technology, like you want a website, digital engageable, and you want to understand our socially good platform, you can reach out to me. My details are there with Ishwara. Thank you so much.
So thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now the request will go over from the mic finance. That means